How to turn on Assistive Touch on iPhone. Have you ever needed some additional space with additional functionality? Well, what if I tell you that the iPhone already has that? Let's see how we can activate it. The option we are looking for is in the settings, so we will open the settings on our phone. When the settings open, scroll through the options until you find the accessibility section. When you find it, tap on it. In the new list of options, find the touch option and tap on it. When the new menu opens, we need to find the Assistive Touch option. When we find it, we will tap on it. After that, we will activate the Assistive Touch option by tapping on the switch next to the option. When the option is active, tap on the button that appeared on the screen. As you can see, an additional number of options will open that we can use. Now let's see how we can customize this for ourselves. If we go back to the settings, we will see the Customize top-level menu option. We will tap on it. Here we can add some of the functionality by tapping on the plus icon and select some of the options. We can also reset the fields and add everything we want again. We can also select up to 8 icons in this menu. When you have set everything to your liking, you're ready to use your new functionality. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.